In Python, if you want to use arrays, then there is no built-in support for arrays in Python. If you want, you can use list and you can use functions provided by list to use it like an array. By using the NumPy module, we can make use of the array method of NumPy module and create an array in Python. So here I'm importing NumPy so that we can make use of the methods present in NumPy. So I'm here creating a array by name marks, and for doing so, I am here using NumPy dot array method. So now in this parenthesis, we can make use of this square bracket and provide the list of items which we want in our array. So I'm taking here some 4 marks, and these are the array elements which I'm taking, and then using print function I'm going to print it. So marks, if I print, I get all the array elements printed on screen. So when I execute, I get all the array elements displayed on screen. And then if you want to access any particular element, you can access it using the index. So as arrays are indexed, the first index starts from 0 and the last will be 1 less than the size of array. So as there are 4 elements, if you want to access the second element, then you can use the index 1. And when I execute, I get 78, which is the second element. If you want the last element, that is the fourth at position 4, then you can give the index 3. And if I run again, I get output as 45. Now similarly, if you want multi-dimensional arrays, then you can add again one more row. Like multi-dimensional arrays, if you are taking 2 dimensions, it contains rows and columns. So I'm taking another row in square bracket again, and I'm assigning 3 elements, and also let's make the first row also contain 3 elements. So that means there are 2 rows and there are 3 columns in each row, and again enclose it in square bracket both the rows and separate it using a comma like this. So we have taken 2 rows, each row contains 3 columns here. Now if suppose you want to print this 56, so let's make this different. So I want to print in the first row the third element. So first row index will be 0, and as it contains 3 columns, the third column will be having the index as 0, 1, 2, that means 2. So if I execute, I will be getting 56 printed on screen. If you want 78, then 0th row, second column. So 0th row, column 1 index. And first element 89, 0th row, 0th column. Like this we can access elements from multi-dimensional array, that is 2-dimensional arrays.